Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Who doesn't know parsley today? Well, everyone knows what it is. Parsley is an incredibly popular and versatile aromatic herb that adds its distinctive note to the world's culinary palette and beyond. Its history spans thousands of years, as it was known and used in ancient Rome and ancient Greece. This plant played a significant role in digestion and medicine, while also lending a rich flavor and aroma to dishes. So how is it used in cooking? A fresh aroma, a unique flavor. One of the key features of parsley is its distinctive fresh aroma and unique taste. It can be either flat leaf or root parsley, but either way it brings a vibrant brightness to dishes. Parsley is widely used in the cuisines of many countries. It adds a zesty kick to salads, depth to soups, and a refined flavor to sauces. This herb embodies the culinary heritage of various regions. In Mediterranean cuisine, for example, it plays an important role in creating rich, bold flavors. French cuisine values it for making stocks and a wide variety of sauces. Health benefits and wellness. First of all, it's packed with vitamins and minerals. Parsley is a true treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, which supports skin and eye health. Vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting. Detox and antioxidants. Parsley is well known for its detoxifying properties. It helps the body eliminate toxins and excess fluid. The rich antioxidant content in parsley supports cellular health and protects against the effects of free radicals. Fun fact: symbolic meaning. In different cultures, parsley carries its own symbolism. In Russian culture, it is associated with celebrations and family dinners. In some countries, believe it or not, it is linked to loyalty and longevity. What about its medicinal uses? Parsley has been used as a remedy to aid digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. So, parsley is not just a garnish for dishes, it's a true treasure trove of flavor and health benefits. Its vibrant aroma and distinctive taste make dishes incredibly delicious, while its rich content of vitamins and minerals makes it indispensable for maintaining good health. May parsley continue to inspire kitchen experiments and encourage you to take care of your body. And that's all for today. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like. In short, stay with us.